Hey guys, what's up? It's you and watching my videos. If you are new, so please consider to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. It really encourages me to create more content for you guys just like this one. So, what we're going to be doing in today's video is going to be building a Minecraft house in Minecraft. It's underground. Okay, we're going to build more. Okay, and from inside the rooms look something like this. Okay, we're going to create some more rooms. There's another room over here. Oops, which is something like this. It's incomplete right now, so I'm going to do that. Waste. Okay, so I'm gonna close this, and so if I come upstairs, so guys, it's underground as you can see over here. It's just like a bit like I have built it to make it more secure. Okay, and now I'm gonna go. Okay. Now I'm gonna build is I'm gonna create another room. It's going to be over here. Not here, not here, not here. We're going to build it right over. Let me show you. I'm gonna build it. I don't know. Let's go in here. And it's going to be over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start building it. I'm just covering that back up because I didn't manage to, So, I'm gonna break that. So, we need more space, so like, oh no.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
So right now it's something like this.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Give me 100 subscribers and I will make sure I create a part 2 of this video in which I'm gonna tell you how to it's literally I'm gonna show you from scratch how to create an underground house. Okay, if you give this video 1,000 likes, I'm gonna create a part 2 which we're gonna build this underground house from scratch. Okay, so we're gonna start this video and then it's going to be from literally scratch. So thank you for very much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.